Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Bazif Sarfaraz from the Legend School of Education of Class 7, and today we have a topic that is today's education system, and we will be having a great discussion on it. And I will be asking some interesting questions to our guest and also my best friend Abiru Nabi.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Abu Nabi from the Legend School of Education of Class 7 and I am here to give you a great significance on our topic today's education system, and I hope you all will seek information from this topic.
And we will explore what's good and what needs to change. So let's get started. So Abiru, do you think that the current education system is preparing us for the real world or just for jobs and exams?
Well, Basil, I think that current education system is preparing students just for exams rather than real world jobs. When exams test is knowledge and memory, they don't always develop practical skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving skills, which are essential for most careers. You know what, Basil? Some schools and institutions are trying to include this by including internships, life skills training, but there is still a long way to go to make education more job oriented.
So, do you think our education system is outdated?
In many ways, I think yes. Our education system can be considered outdated. You know, it relies heavily on rote learning, standard exams, and a one size fits all approach, even though the world and job market have changed significantly. Modern careers require creativity, like problem solving skills, critical thinking, emotional understanding, which are not always emphasized in traditional classrooms. While there are efforts to modernize the system, like introducing technology and skill based learning, but these changes need to happen faster and more broadly to truly meet today's needs.
Do you think that online learning is better than classroom learning in some ways?
Well, online learning can be better than classroom learning in some ways. You know, it provides flexibility, allows students to learn at their own pace and revisit the lesson as needed. It also provides an access to a range of resources that might not be available locally. But you know, it lacks face to face interaction, hand on experiments, and social environment that classroom learning provides. So, I must suggest that the best approach might be the combination of both, you know, a blended learning that uses the strengths of each method.
Let's go further. Do you think that the marks really show how intelligent a student is?
It's not necessary. Marks reflect how well the student understands the subject or how effectively they prepare for exams. But they don't always show through intelligence. Intelligence includes creativity, problem solving skills, emotional understanding. In the Basis, it's intelligence that may not always be measured in exams. You know, some very intelligent students may struggle with test anxiety or different styles of learning, which can affect their marks.
What one thing would you remove from our education system today?
The one thing I would remove from my education system will be the excessive pressure on exams and marks, as I told you. This pressure leads to stress, anxiety, and makes learning feel like a race rather than a journey. You know what, Basil? Learning should be about gaining knowledge and becoming capable, not just about getting high grades.
Thank you, Abiru, for this information, and thank you everyone for listening. Hope you understand our topic on today's education system. Have a great